hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast. Emerging is a rising leading man of Philippine movie and television. Ang isa naman po ay ang ultimate leading man. Please welcome Michael Sager and Empoy Marquez. Ang dami mo ng mga naging leading ladies. You've been a leading man for a while. Bilangin natin. Alex, Christine Reyes, Maha Salvador, Fergie Budol, Kim Molina, Angelina Jolie, meron pang Brooke. Si Brooke, nagkasama rin kayo. Okay. What piece of advice would you give Michael?
Piece of advice.
Piece of advice as a leading man.
Ito yung pira-pirasong advice, no? Is Mike, be yourself, humble, and stay healthy, and every day take a bath.
Nalito ako, nahirapan ako. Sabi ko baka may problema ang ilaw. Kailangan talaga ako tumingin. Nasaan ba si Michael? Nasaan ba si Empoy?
Ako nalitong ako eh. Parang nananalamin nga ako. Kasi ganit, yung bata ako, when I was a child, I'm a child.
Yeah.
Ang bata ako, ganito rin yung mukha ko eh.
It's January 13, 9:35 p.m. on GMA Prime po. Abangan niyo po ang Mike Longo Girl. This show isn't just about romance, comedy, and the drama. No, it's about Iloilo. The pride, the culture, the food, the beautiful people. We want to share it with the story. But of course, kasama natin dyan, very beautiful, Miss Jillian Ward will be playing two characters, and that's where the story revolves kung anong mangyayari sa kanya at kay Francis ang character ko.
Bakit daw hindi ikaw ang naging leading man in Jillian Ward?
Bakit nga ba?
Ay, bakit nga ba?
Sumasagot ka!
Parang may kaboses yun.
Parang may kaboses. Parang Ilonggo girl yun. Parang kakausapin natin na. Pero sagutin mo muna yan.
Siyempre pa, dahil sila magkaedad. At napakaganda ng role ko dito. Kapatid ako ni Jillian.
Kumusta? How is the experience?
It's actually great, Tito Boy. At first talagang, after Abot Kamay, this is our first show together again. Yung mga eksena namin na malapitan, yung mga kilig scenes. There's sometimes na makikita mo how pure and innocent Jill is kasi natatakot siya pag malapitan. So it was very cute, and I'm just happy kasi as we were filming, as we go on, our relationship gets closer with one another. And ngayon, we've improved and we're proud of each other that we can at least manage yung mga titigan na yun.
Matinik, mahalo.
Mahalo.
Kilabot, pakipot.
Kilabot.
Mestiza, morena.
Mestiza.
Hihiram ka ng parte ng katawan ni Empoy. Ano ang hihiram?
Bigote niya.
Wow. 1 to 10. Gaano ka kabulero? Lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Every day.
Complete this. This 2025, I'm ready to
make this my year.
Wow, I love that. Matigas, matigas.
Matigas.
Torpe, madiskarte.
Madiskarte.
Single, taken. Single, taken. Taken. Artista crush. Ano sinabi mo?
Hindi, wala pa.
Artista crush mo.
Ako? Kaya ba?
Artista ang muntik mo maging girlfriend.
Ay, secret.
Guilty or not guilty? Nag-send ng sexy photo.
Pass the paper.
Guilty or not guilty? Naisipang magparitoke.
No.
Guilty or not guilty? Gusto nang magka-girlfriend.
Yes.
Lights on, lights off.
On and off.
Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolate na may happiness.
Best time for happiness?
Every time I wake up in the morning, prayers.
Complete the sentence. Ang kagwapuhan ay makikita sa
Bulacan, at ako yun.
Salamat. Alam po hindi ka dapat guest, pero
Bigla lang hindi lang niya po kasi ako.
nako. Kanina, anong comment mo, Jillian? Malapit daw ang inyong titigan, sabi ni Empoy. Sinabi mo yan, ha?
Yung titigan namin malagkit, si Kuya Empoy, malagkit talaga.
Masaya. Nag-enjoy ako Christmas with family and friends, kaya masaya and excited for the new year.
Yes, same as Mike. Spend time and quality time with the family yan, in Bulacan.
Abangan niyo po ang mga kilig scenes, mga fighting scenes, mga drama, lahat na po. Maganda po itong show na to. Ngayong gabi, 9:35 PM, Monday to Thursday.
Yes, malapit na po. January 13, ayan, 9:35
9:35
PM. Ayan, directed by Direk Rado Peru.
Yes.